Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. So here in this video I'll show you the Meesho finds which I've ordered for my garden decor. So before I start the video, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for the new updated videos and to follow us on the Instagram page. Without any late, let's start the video. So here are some parcels which I received from Meesho today. So I have ordered some wall stick-ons for nailing the hanging the products. So these are the best solution for rental friendly. These are people who are in rental houses. They can use such kind of nails thing, so they can just stick on the wall and they can use it. They can hang anything that they want easily. So I've ordered few of them because I need to hang my decor items on the wall. So this is another parcel which I received. So I think I have ordered some hanging planters, I guess. Maybe I don't know if it is that only. So just need to open it. And as of now here it is a planter. First, immediately when I saw the size of it, I felt the size is a bit smaller, but in the picture what I've seen is the size is pretty good, but here I received smaller. And then I thought, like, fine, if we get smaller things, I can have another extra wall to decorate with other things. So this is pretty good size, not small, not big. So this is in a medium size, and the pots are that white thing is all in metal. So this is entirely metal. So just need to be very careful while we put any kind of plants. You guys even have decor with plastic plants, plastic hanging plants also in this. So just like decor piece, you can even use it. So for me, I'm thinking to put a real plant of it. Either it could be a turtle vine or something like that. And by the evening I receive another 2 parcels. So I just want to open them. So this is also one kind of hanging planter. So previously I have ordered one hanging planter from Amazon, and this is the second one which I saw from Meesho. So I've ordered this one also because I have 2 walls, so I just need to decorate them. So the one which I've ordered from Amazon is a bigger planter, hanging planter, test tube planter. So this one is a smaller one, so which only have 2 test tubes here. So this is how the packaging is, and the packaging is really very good. So these plants and these planters which I've ordered, which are reasonable, and the quality of it is very nice. So I am impressed with the Meesho products here. So if you can see, the test tube size and all is also very good here. So these are the 2 test tubes wherein we can fill the water and put the cuttings propagation. So that is the reason I have used it. This is the other planter again which I have ordered. So here I am opening it, and this is a metal planter which I have ordered here, and I thought it will be very small in size, but this size which I receive is good size for the decor thing for the wall which I have. So this is pretty good in size. So I'm impressed with the quality of the product and simultaneously the size of the product. So some packaging, if you can see the packaging is like top quality packaging that they have used here. So the color and everything, so if you can see this, the color is looking very nice. So if we can put any green plant in this one, so it looks very nice. So that is the reason I have ordered. There are so many color choice among, but I liked gray. So a bit bend I got it here in this spot, if you can see here. So that is fine, that is okay. If you just put a planter, that is fine. So some nice hanging plant can do well in this pot. So it is looking nice. So these are the things which I have ordered from Meesho. So hope you all like the video. So if If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe Collective Gardening. Thank you.